Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your default currency on CoinMarketCap. If you want CoinMarketCap to display prices, market caps, and other values in the currency you prefer, this is a quick setting you can update in just a few moments. Changing the default currency can make the platform much easier to read, especially if you want to track crypto prices in your local currency instead of the default option. To begin, go to CoinMarketCap in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the main dashboard where cryptocurrency prices and market information are displayed. This is where you'll be able to confirm the change later. Next, move to the upper right part of your screen and click on your profile. This area usually contains account-related settings and personalization options. If you are already signed in, your profile menu should open right away. If the page layout looks slightly different, just look for the profile icon or account menu in that same top right corner. After opening the profile menu, click on Currency. This option controls how values are shown across the platform. In other words, it changes the unit CoinMarketCap uses when displaying asset prices and totals throughout the site. Once the currency list appears, click your preferred currency. Choose the one you want CoinMarketCap to use by default going forward. For example, if you'd rather view prices in euros, pounds, or another supported currency instead of US dollars, this is where you make that selection. Be sure to click carefully so the setting updates properly. After that, you're all done. To confirm the change, return to the dashboard and check the displayed prices. You should now see the values updated in the currency you selected. This is the easiest way to verify that the new default setting has been applied successfully. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a moment to refresh or reload the dashboard once. In most cases, the update appears right away, but a quick refresh can help if the old values are still showing temporarily. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default currency on CoinMarketCap. This small adjustment can make tracking market data more convenient and easier to understand at a glance.